Welcome back to part 3 of the 3D printing lab construction. This is what it looked like back in October, and this is what it looks like now in January. I'll show you all the progress we've made over the last 2.5 months. At last, we could get to some of the fun stuff, and we had a little bit of help from the kids. Even with just one coat of paint on the walls, it makes such a huge difference. We did one more coat of paint after this just because that wall on the right looked like total buns. I decided to make a windowsill out of some scrap red oak that I had in the garage. I don't particularly like the orangey color of this, so I got some Rubio monocoat to make it look more like a white oak color. This is the first time I've ever used any of their products, and I think the results were gorgeous. Here's the before and after. Now with the painting finished, the flooring started going in. That's as far as it goes. While they worked on the flooring, I started assembling these hexagonal lights that I bought for the 3D printing room. My intention was to put these on the ceiling, providing me with a lot of good work light. Originally I wanted 4000 Kelvin and these were 5, and so I was a little nervous that this wouldn't be the right color temperature for me. So I decided to assemble just one of them and see how it looked out there in the 3D printing room now that there was paint on the walls. I'm going to go plug this into the room, see what it looks like, and check on the progress of the flooring. I have one. And now for the moment of truth.
It was at this moment she knew she hated it immensely. A searing light straight to her eyeballs.
Now let's play a game and see how many times we can talk about it being bright.
Ooh, big brights.
Too bright? You think they're too bright? Spoiler alert, they are in fact too bright, and I hate the greenish color they give off. For now I'm going to ignore it, make it future Sarah's problem, and install the flooring. The flooring went down really quickly, so it was so much fun to see quick progress, and I think it looks fantastic. After drying for a couple of days, the windowsill was ready to be installed. I didn't get that part filmed, but you will be able to see it in the future clips. Originally I was going to plug this deadbolt hole and get a privacy door handle, but it was actually cheaper to get a passage door handle and the deadbolt, so that's what I ended up with. Already a week into December, and it was time to pick up the butcher block I ordered that would become my new workbench. We hadn't gotten a Christmas tree either, so we decided to pick up one of those as well. I ordered ready-to-assemble cabinet drawers that would become the base of my workbench. We placed the new cabinets in the 3D printing room, and here's what it looks like now. When you come back for part 4, I'm going to show you what happened with the hexagonal lights and also the new shelving for all of my printers. We will also be installing the workbench top, the handles on the drawers, and getting the printers moved in here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.